So I've cut the wood grain in there, and I've added a stamp in the middle just for fun. And now I want to show you how I color the wood grain. Using a thin brush, I've got some water-based EcoFlow dye, and kind of that's what it looks like. It's a mixture of little bits that was left over in the bottom of other containers, so it's probably a mixture of kind of canyon tan and range tan. So what I do for the wood, I put some on the brush, and then I do follow some of the lines, and I allow the brush to get empty, if I can put it that way, so that some parts will be darker and some parts will be deliberately lighter. So, and I'm not super careful to follow exactly over the lines that I cut with the dye. Make sure as best I can I don't go over the edge. I always try to keep my brush moving in the direction of the wood grain. But I'm not very meticulous with that. As long as you're consistent with the direction of the movement that you follow, it will look fairly natural, and that's kind of what you're after. It needn't look too perfect. And what this particular pattern, this wood grain, also lends itself to very nicely is applying highlight stains on with those cuts. It really works nice, and it makes the cuts pop. So I might just do that as well. I want to turn it around so that I can see the edge from my perspective, what I'm doing. But you can see that I am not making any attempt whatsoever to keep the dye saturated in the leather so that it becomes even. Rather, I'm deliberately making sure that it is not even. Okay, and there it is. That's that. So I think I suppose I can do the highlight stain over that. Now, my choices here are, if I do it across everything, the highlighter will color this and that, as well as do the highlighting. If I resist this first, or even the wood, then the wood would not change that much color. Whichever part I resist would not change that much color, and the rest would. So I can either resist the whole thing, resist just the wood, or resist just the background. You will get different effects in each case. But I'm going to let this dry first, totally get it dry. So I'll probably do that resist part tomorrow evening. But I hope you learned something. I hope I can help. Thank you very much.